Hi guys, mamuka sei. So zvina zvina kumira zvakanaka. Say Wikino Chivayo, things are bad for him. It seems as if his Instagram account has been hacked and a lot is being leaked and is being posted from the account. So Zimlife says, corruption accused businessman Wikino Chivayo has a new headache tonight. His Instagram appears to have been hacked and is posting salacious screenshots of DMs with several women, including singer Shashio and Maxine Adam, wife of Prophet Ed Branson. This is something very important in Zimbabwe. Let us take a look onto this whole thing. Shashio ndiye mwana uya yakawe kumbozunzi na levels chi. And you know, this is happening at a point in time. Ra levels futiri kutrenda. Achinyimwa mota and zvakusikanwa manje kuti baby ra levels raidywa futi na Dara na Dunda. So what is happening is that Dunda right here is in trouble. I'm telling you this, guys. Dunda is in trouble. This is Shashio. This is the screenshot of Shashio in Say Wikino Chivayo. And it's like Wikino is saying, pleasure, sweetheart. How are you coping? What's your number? And it seems as if he was given the details right there. And right there, guys, I can imagine it's devastating, but I don't give up. You'll be back soon. Etc. It seems as if okay. But let us go to one of the most interesting parts. It's the soft madam. This one of soft madam. Okay. So, I miss you. You came and left without seeing me. And I miss you too, Mama. Where are you? And I'm there Monday to Thursday. This is my prophet, guys. And I can't believe I have only seen you twice. That my prophet. Am I prophet? I can't believe it. I only saw you twice. Guys. This is very interesting, guys. Very, very, very interesting. Scans, I love you so much. Okay, I love you too much. This is Ndara Dunda. And just got home. Zims, when are you leaving? So those are very good, guys. If you take a look onto these things, this. Okay, guys, Anzaiba John, I miss you too. Auntie, you don't love me. Ningaite say just got home in Zim. Did Dunda Rukunzi? Auntie, you don't love me. Here is the owner of the baby. Here is the owner of the baby, guys. Imagine, guys, uningone baby rako uchijigirwa na Dunda. Guys, out of all the people ukuchitwa na Dunda, yeah. But beganengana also hapana plan. You know, when you have money speaks. Ladies love money, especially. Kana story waza zvake. What will happen is you can only cash. She does not tire to or get bored with you because she know kuti she's just doing it for money and you are giving her that money and she will then go to another person and ruzon chai. Ndozo vachizona magarden boy anogona kunge achitongori mufolder imomo. The major issue is what made the prophet who saw the coming of ED not see that his own wife is cheating? So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. On his birthday, guys. Anzi, how about finding your wife is cheating with Wikino Chivayo on your birthday? Zimlife aisumbodzora zvimbo iri kurova ipo chaipo. Panongo mtongonya chaipo ndo pari kurwa neZimlife. This is the birthday of Ed Branson, 36 years old, and is finding out kuti mukadzi ari kutsotsonywa naDunda. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So it seems as if Sonja Njaudo, right, is posting something like being vindicated. It seems as if She knows what is happening. So Zimla says, Week Nochivayo's ex-wife Sonja Madzikanda delightedly posting after his Instagram account appears to have been hacked and his private DMs with several women posted on the account. So guys, let us be honest. When you take a look onto these issues, these are not minor issues. These are very serious issues. Very, very, very serious issues. Week Nochivayo is in trouble. The major issue is vanhu vacho madzimai acho mazhinji. And if you read some of the issues, you can't even read them publicly like here. We can't even read. You see? And you ask questions to say, where are we going as a nation? This is Madzibaba Week now. Men of the cloth. Who is doing this? Guys, azvinomira mushe. So when you heard him saying, apa kataza kanonzi kachi kataza ke allowance ku girlfriend kataza kune rumwe girlfriend kataza, and he's looting from us to feed these women, these shameless women. Guys, he's looting from us to feed these shameless Jezebels. And as a nation, what are we doing? Nothing. Seems as if everything is okay. But Team Zimbabwe, let me tell you this. One day is one day. Things are going to go in a different direction. One day things will go in a different direction. Today, Wikino is trending. He has been trending for a very long time now. He continues to trend, but always for the wrong reasons. So, not only that, guys, there are also chats of a prophet called Evidence Chari. Yes, Papa. Prophet Evidence Chari. This is under online. It says, Prophet Evidence Chari's wife, Anesu Chari's chats with Say Wikno have been leaked. Pakaipa. This is the wife there. This is Prophet. Let us go. Tindoona kuti zvakanzi chii. Okay. Let us see if there is something bad. Zvakanzi but mogona kuzoita recovery. You never know. Zvakanzi zvakaramba we tried. Zvakanzi what's your WhatsApp number? Zvakanzi pana akaomesa moyo chete. I suspect you. Okay. Zvakanzi I will send you a breaking video on view once in the morning. Not even. Very easy going, very simple. Okay, what's your WhatsApp number? Dobva WhatsApp number yadirwa. And at this point in time, okay, this is ending without us getting what we need right there. Let us see if we are going to find that thing. Right, already you came Kare. Yes, just I'm off. Okay, Baba Makasianani is coming on Monday. Okay, Texas. I hope you are having a great time. Okay, I think this is just an overall chat. Chirinani. But mubvunzo ndewekuti ko madzibaba vari kutsvagei mumadm emadzimai evanhu. Hapana kuzotsotsonya munhu ipapa guys. You know, this is just an ordinary chat, but the major question is why? Why? Okay, yati mbunzo zvataurwa nana tate. Hanzi nhai anesu zvauri maimufundisi wani haungasive chihure chemurume wako Evidence nekuhurawo. So you were thinking kuti that Zimbabwean binga yawaihura nayo would change your life for the better. Raramai zvamunoparidza amai. Murume wako akahura munamatire asagare kumba kwehure auye arare kumba. Pakai mumba imomo maimufundisi ndimi makazvida. This was posted in 22 July 2021 guys. So ndo pari kunzi vakatsotsonywa. Tatelicious says according to this one, it said Tatelicious vanenge vanga vazviona kuti aiwa amai vakadyiwa, amai vaka right. So guys, so we are told that the account is suspended. That is what we are told. The account is suspended so far, and the major issue is what else was leaked to the public. What else was leaked to the public? This is something very important, Team Zimbabwe. You know, when these things are happening, guys, zvine vanhu vane matare mahombe vari behind. I have been saying this, guys, for a very long time to say, Arume, people are not safe in this digital world. In this digital world, we are not safe, especially when you are operating from Zimbabwe and you are using your contacts for your login details and everything. Guys, unengori pama one. I'm telling you, unengori pan ane anonzi ma one chaiyo. These guys are not playing funnies or games. They are very, very, very serious. Very, very serious. You are going to see a lot. You are going to see a lot, guys. What you are seeing from so week now, no, WhatsApp yakarohwa chekuseri. No, avazana mpofu. Kune vanhu vakarohwa chekuseri kuWhatsApp iyoyo. And these are the people who have been doing whatever which is happening at this point in time. So it's becoming more interesting. We'll be seeing kuti who else is implicated in these issues. We'll be seeing who else. And remember, Wikinochivayo is trending at this point in time. Vakawanda vanhu vacho. So this is Shashil wa levels. Arikunzi akatsotsonywawo futi here kana kuti ameno. But something happened. Some details have been removed right here. But you can't just say kuna someone hey sweetheart. It can't. You don't just say so. Pane chinenge chitoitika. Pane kudyiwa kune chitoitwa munhu ipapo. And guys, remember, these issues are not just normal things. Vakadzi vanhu, mabebe vanhu, zvese zvingori involved. But it's time for us as a people to actually reflect and see. The major issue is not about whatever scandal yawikino kuti akazodana navakadzi vana Ed Branson whatever is alleged. The issue is our money is being used to take care of mahule iwaya. Monies which must be building our schools, our hospitals, our clinics, our roads is being used to pay good life for these boys, for these hules. Guys, it can't be. It can't be. Just imagine uti say wiki vanenge vachinyorera twese tuvarungu tumasaska mutu. And some of the things zvine zvichinyorwa zvacho you don't even understand, guys. Is this person okay or guys? You know, we are living in a world where people do not care about important issues. They do not. If these people cared about important issues, then sometimes when you are a lady, you find it difficult to cope with your poverty simply because urukupiwa pressure nechikwata ichi. But guys, musapiwa pressure nechikwata chiri kuita zvinhu zvakadai so zvinonyadzisa. Ike zvine zvitarisa zvakubuda pachena. Maimfundisa, do you think kuti vanoramba vachingo daro? You see? So, you know, it's something else, but We'll continue to watch and see, guys. We'll continue to watch and see what is going to happen. And one day, let me tell you this, one day, the truth shall be laid bare. Kuvakuru. This is just a foundation. One day chimwe chokwadi kuvakuru chichabuda zvichanyadzisa nyika yese. Chichabuda because vese vasikana ava vese ava havazeze ava. Vasikana vari muri kuona vese havazeze. Vana vese wikino ndo anenge achitonzi mashuga daddy ane class. Andiri kuzviona. So havazeze zvinhu zvese izvi. Guys, it is what it is. We'll wait to see what is going to happen. Wait to see what is going to happen. We will see how everything is going to end, guys. But very interesting things happening. Very, very interesting things happening. Wait to see what's going to happen. Prophet ndo vandiri kunzwira tsitsi, guys, kuti bhebhi ravo riri kutodyiwa iro zvatokonfirma kuti prophet vakadyirwa bhebhi. What is he going to do? What is he going to do? We do not know, guys. We do not know. But it is what it is. We'll continue to watch and see. And